Alright, so I have a question for you. Do you guys want to see the process of making a manga slash webtoon, or would you prefer the original plan, which is what I talked about in the last video? Well, not the last video because that was Valentine's Day, but the video before that, which is just me taking a break from the channel, focusing on the quality of what I'm working on for the book, and then once I get a couple episodes in, come back and juggle the two. I personally feel like it would make a good documentary or series or whatever you want to call it, because I love watching that kind of stuff. So I know that, you know, obviously there's more people than just me that like seeing how books of any kind, manga, novels, you know, how it's created. So if you guys want to see it, hit the like button and subscribe. I would totally love to take you guys on the journey, give some tips, show my failures, and just share the experience with you because you guys are awesome. Alright, bye.